Today's recipe are these super delicious buttermilk potato hamburger buns. They're easy to make. Stick around long enough and I'll show you how to do it. It's nice and hollow, meaning it's cooked. Oh, it's hot. It's so pillowy soft. Perfect for hamburgers.
Let's get started. Here's the list of ingredients you'll need, also listed in the description box. I start by boiling the potatoes in the water and then simmering until fork tender. The potatoes are then mashed in the liquid, which will serve as hydration. It's cooled until it reaches anywhere from 95 to 100 degree temperature. I add in all of my dry ingredients into a large KitchenAid mixing bowl. The flour I always like to sift, and the yeast does not need to be bloomed because it's instant. Buttermilk adds a tang flavor, and the butter helps to soften and add a little bit of flavor. The mashed potatoes have been added back. Mix on low speed. I use 1 to 2 speed on my mixer. Once the dry and wet ingredients come together as a dough, I increase the speed to medium-high. This is around 6 to 8 on my mixer. I knead the dough for 12 to 15 minutes and then transfer to a lightly greased bowl and set aside for about 1 hour until it's doubled. Wow, look at this. Amazing! Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to our channel. I transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and divide into 12 equal portions. I shape them into rounds. No pre-shaping is needed. Transfer the rounds onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Cover and rest for 30 minutes.
Wow, these bread should be well risen. Look at these.
The rolls should spring back when touched lightly.
Perfect, perfect. And I'm just going to spray the top with some water. And this goes into the preheated oven at 375 degrees. Wow, look at this. These are ready. They look amazing and they're huge. Give it a tap. Yep, they are ready. I'm going to rub some butter on the top just for some shine. I'm just going to let these cool completely. That's it. That's it. It looks amazing. Wow. These are still pretty warm, but I can't help myself. Look at that. It's nice and hollow, meaning it's cooked. Oh, it's hot. Look at that. It's so pillowy soft. Perfect for hamburgers. Mmm. Wow. Heaven. This is a piece of heaven. So good. You must try it.
Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!